Hi everyone, so today I'm going to talk to you about quite a common issue across all generations of Volkswagen Polo. These tend to suffer from quite high handbrake travel, and many videos on YouTube tend to show you the wrong way of rectifying this. All the videos currently on YouTube advise you to tighten up the nut behind the handbrake lever in order to reduce handbrake travel. However, this doesn't address the root cause of the problem. Furthermore, having a high handbrake travel will reduce the effectiveness of the handbrake. To check for this, apply the handbrake 3 to 4 clicks. When putting your car in first gear or reverse, try and move off. You will find in these instances the car will move off as if the handbrake is released. This is not good practice. The wheel should spin freely. The front wheel is for comparison, where it spins without any bind. However, the rear wheels on this Polo are binding and as a result do not spin freely. This was evident on both sides of the rear axle. Here we are carrying out a visual inspection of the brake shoes. As we can see, there is no brake material left on the drums, and it become metal on metal. This is because the handbrake lever on the rear shoes has been seized for quite a long time, and as the wheels have been binding, this has worn away the brake shoe material prematurely.
So that's the handbrake lever, and it's like this, and it should be free, so it should move. That one was seized as well, but I moved it and it moves again. Because it was seized on this car, it's worn away all of the the shoe, so it's gone down to the metal, so that's no longer a shoe, and that's no longer a shoe. If you look at this one, that's also the same, so it's worn down completely on both sides, so there's no shoe left, there's just metal. And if you look at this is completely seized, so this should move like this should move. I'm pressing down a lot, it doesn't move at all, so that's what happens. So it seizes up, you can't move it, and then that's what causes the brake to bind in the back, and then it wears it down. So the best thing is to just change the shoes in the back.
So in summary, in order to address high handbrake travel on a Volkswagen Polo, you must take off the rear drums in the back and carry out an inspection of both the shoes and the handbrake lever. On many instances, you will find the handbrake lever to be seized, and in this case, you must take off the rear shoes and free off the handbrake lever and provide adequate lubrication to prevent this happening again. The next thing to do is to use the adjusters on the rear shoes via a flathead screwdriver on the left hand side. Usually, once this adjustment is performed, the handbrake lever travel returns to the usual 3 to 4 clicks.